Temperatures were certainly very pleasant through the afternoon. We saw them topping out generally in the upper 60s and even some mid 70s out there. And temperatures right now still not too bad. You can see some low 60s as well as some upper 50s out there. 59 degrees for Somerset, 63 still in London, 64 for Jackson, 54 in Stanton, 61 in Richmond, 61 also here in Lexington. And temperatures overall will stay a little bit more on the mild side, only dropping into the 50s as we head through the overnight. But taking a look at those highs from today, we reached a high of 70 degrees here in Lexington. Some of our northern counties topping out in the upper 60s, southern counties topping out in the mid 70s, so not too bad, all above that average high of 62 degrees. And we're going to be seeing another day in the 70s as we head into your Wednesday, but with a chance for some showers and storms. But for tonight, everything is going to be calm out there. We saw plenty of sunshine for today and still seeing some clear skies out there now, but we'll see a few extra clouds building in as we head into the overnight. So some partly cloudy skies, but overall you can see some calm conditions on your fork-beam sky view of Mount Sterling, and not too much is going to be going on as we head into the overnight. We'll just see those partly cloudy skies. It will be quiet, temperatures around 51 degrees, but as I mentioned, heading into your Wednesday, that's when we are going to see more of that activity. Temperatures will once again be in the 70s. We'll work in some sunshine. It's going to be windy, but we will see a chance for some strong to severe storms, mainly as we head into the second half of the day. And that is thanks to this system, an area of low pressure that will continue to track into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, bringing with it the possibility of some strong to severe storms. And mainly we'll start to see some activity firing up probably by about late afternoon through the evening hours and even into the early overnight. Now it's going to give us a good possibility of some strong to severe storms. That's why we are under an enhanced risk for a good portion of Kentucky. Again, this is mainly late afternoon and Wednesday evening. The timing generally around 4 o'clock. That's when we could see some of that activity starting to fire up, especially with a little bit of extra sunshine. Excuse me. That is going to help to fuel those storms, and we really will start to see some of that clearing the viewing area, so eastern Kentucky about 1 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to be dealing with the threat for some stronger storms, strong to severe storms, through a good portion of your Wednesday evening. Main concerns will be hail and high winds, but we cannot completely rule out the possibility of a few isolated tornadoes, but again, mainly into the second half of the day. So we'll time it out here in the Futurecast again tonight and to start your Wednesday. Very calm. We're even going to work in a little sunshine, temperatures starting off in the 50s, so a little bit more on the mild side, but you'll still want that light jacket. But as we head through the afternoon, temperatures quickly warm up because we are going to be working in a little more sunshine. And normally on a day when we see severe weather, we don't really want all that sunshine because it's just going to help to fuel the storms. But Futurecast is really not pulling in those storms around 4 o'clock here in the viewing area, but take a look off to the west. We have some that will start to fire up, and these could shift to the east. So we are going to watch that window from about 4 until 1 o'clock, and we'll continue to see that chance for some activity, some of those stronger storms as we head into your Wednesday evening. As I mentioned, clearing eastern Kentucky around 1 o'clock in the morning. But we're not out of the woods just yet. We're still going to be looking at some wet weather for your Thursday, but take a look at those temperatures. They are definitely going to be on the colder side. Futurecast trying to work in a little bit of a mix out there as well. So we're going to be seeing those temperatures cooling down as we head into your Thursday and Friday. Unfortunately, opening day for Keeneland could see some flurries. Temperatures a little bit on the colder side, but by the weekend, thank goodness, temperatures will rebound into the 60s and 70s, and we'll start to work in a little bit more sunshine.
Oh, good. So beautiful.
It's been fantastic. The last several days actually have been
really has.
Picture perfect.
Yeah.
Plenty of sunshine, warming temperatures. I know I've tried to spend a lot of time outside.
Yes.
So hopefully everyone has been doing the same.
So.
Today's still not too bad. You've got some time to get outside, but as we were kind of teasing, we're going to start to see a chance for some rain showers as we head into your Sunday. So hopefully everybody is kind of getting some more of those Easter egg hunts in today. There's still going to be some dry time tomorrow. It's not going to be a complete washout, but those rain chances are going to increase. So now is more of the time to get those in. But as we're talking about the last several days, not too bad. I do want to take a look at those temperatures over the last few days. Now the average high is 66. That's where we should be for this time of year. But take a look at the temperatures since Monday. We've been in the 80s and the 70s, so not too bad. We topped out at 82 on Friday, and today we saw those temperatures right back in the lower 80s, so it was feeling fantastic. A few extra clouds for today, but still not too bad. But here's a look at your current temperatures. We're still sitting at 81 degrees here in Lexington. You can see 79 in Danville, as well as Richmond and Somerset, 82 in London, 83 for Stanton, 80 in Jackson, so still not too bad out there. We've still got some great weather. There have been a few very isolated showers popping up, but I don't think they're going to be anything to worry about. You don't need to cancel plans or really even take the umbrella. They've been more so, I think, some isolated sprinkles out there. But highs for today, again, we did reach 83 here in Lexington. Where we should be for this time of year is 66 degrees. Now, we'll cool things down a little bit as we head into your Sunday, but we're still expecting temperatures in the 70s, so not too bad. But with extra rain showers moving through, that's going to help to keep things just a little bit cooler out there. But taking a look at your current satellite and radar, again, just some very, very light showers moving through parts of the viewing area. probably not even really reaching the ground in some spots, but more so a sprinkle out there. So nothing to cancel plans, but I do want to show you this great shot of your Fort Bank sky view of downtown Lexington. There's some pretty cool clouds out there a little bit ago, but we've been seeing plenty of sunshine through the day, just great. But it's been a little breezy at times, and we still have a wind gust of about 22 miles per hour here in Lexington. Same for London and Corbin, 20 mile per hour wind gusts in Somerset, 21 in Moorhead, so a little breezy in spots, and winds will still stay a little bit more on the breezier side as we head into the overnight, but nothing too wild out there. But as I mentioned, eventually we've got to add those chances for some rain showers, and that's thanks to a cold front. It's a weaker cold front, but it will be moving through tomorrow, and that will give us, I think, a better chance for some showers and storms mainly into the second half of the day, but we could still see a little bit of isolated activity to start off your Sunday as well. But for tonight, if you've got any plans, A-okay, things are looking good. Temperatures staying on the milder side, and we'll stay dry as well, just with the exception of those isolated sprinkles out there, but it's really nothing to worry about. But again, there could be an isolated shower, maybe even the rumble of thunder tomorrow morning. You can see some of that activity moving into the viewing area. Not a complete washout, but there will be the chance for some showers out there. We're going to be seeing some dry time, but you can see another line of possibly some showers and some storms moving through, probably about closer to mid-afternoon on Sunday. So again, we'll see a chance for some of those showers and storms, still working in some dry time. Temperatures not too bad out there, but you will want to keep the rain gear handy, I think, for some activities if you do have them planned. And then we're going to continue to see a chance for some wet weather as we head into your Monday, maybe even a possible rumble of thunder as well. But temperatures still not too bad out there. But for tonight, rather quiet. Temperatures staying mild, about 61 degrees. An isolated shower sprinkle is possible, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. Breezy at times. Tomorrow, I think you would want to keep the umbrella handy, but it's not going to be a complete washout. We will see some dry time. Temperatures in the 70s, about 77 degrees. Now, some storms that pop up into the afternoon and evening. We're not expecting severe weather, but some could be a little bit stronger with some gustier winds, so just a heads up. But again, temperatures wise, not too bad, but we do have a few slight rain chances as we head through the week.
Maybe an indoor Easter egg hunt?
That would be good.
Well, we wanted spring, and I guess that's what we're getting because we're getting
spring showers.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. But temperatures wise, I mean, not too bad. Of course, we had to dodge the wet weather for today, but we still saw some 60s and some low 70s out there. So not too bad. And let's take a look at those high temperatures from today. As I mentioned, some upper 60s out there. Even some of our southern counties reaching into the low 70s. So not too bad. Even temperatures at this hour still on the mild side. You can see we're sitting at 63 degrees here in Lexington, 66 for Richmond, 63 for Somerset as well as London, 59 in Stanton, 61 in Jackson. So still not too bad out there, but we are dealing with some rain showers, even a few thunderstorms out there, but everything is below severe limits. Now, winds have been a bit on the breezier side for today. They are calming down, but we'll really be in store for some windy conditions over the next few days because we've got a system moving through tonight giving us that wet weather, and eventually we've got another one that will be moving through giving us the potential for some severe storms by Wednesday night. But you can see we are dealing with a little bit of that wet weather, some shine to the roads, so some rain showers out there, and you can see on radar we do have a line of some showers, even a few isolated thunderstorms that are starting to move through the area, and we do have some more off to the west as well, so we'll be holding on to some of this wet weather as we head into the overnight, but it will start to break up a little bit more as we head into your Tuesday morning. But you can see some reds and yellows and oranges out there, so some more moderate rain showers you can see just north of Georgetown along I-75, and we're going to continue to see that line mainly tracking right now to the west of I-75, but that's going to continue to track east, and then we do have some more off to the west. So again, some of the heavier rain showers and some of those thunderstorms moving through in the next few hours, but by tomorrow morning they will start to break up a little bit more, and we'll actually start to see some drier conditions as we head through your Tuesday. But tonight, all the activity is thanks to this area of low pressure. That's the first system that's moving through, and then we will have another low pressure system moving through on Wednesday that could give us the potential for some strong to severe storms. So we'll talk about that in just a second. But for Tuesday morning, again, mainly just some light showers out there. We'll see that main activity moving through tonight. So just a few lingering showers as you head out the door. You might want to grab the umbrella, but you don't need it all day. We'll start to see that activity winding down as we head through your Tuesday, and actually as we head into the afternoon, seeing those clouds breaking up a little bit more. So we'll start to see some partly cloudy skies by the afternoon, and maybe even a little bit more sunshine as we end your Tuesday. So overall, not too bad. By Wednesday, though, we will start to see some increase in clouds, staying dry for the morning commute, but by the afternoon we will start to see some of that rain activity. I think just some isolated showers to start, and then we head into late afternoon and into the evening hours, and we'll probably start to see a few more thunderstorms building in, and that's when we could see the potential for some of them to be on the stronger to severe side. So here's the severe outlook for Wednesday. Main concern will be some gustier winds, even some large hail. You can see a good portion of Kentucky is under that slight risk, so that's something we are going to be watching with those storms that are going to be rolling through a little bit later in the day on Wednesday. But for tonight, again, just a few of those scattered showers, a few isolated thunderstorms as well. A bit breezy out there. Temperatures about 56 degrees. We could still see some wind gusts, especially with some of those isolated thunderstorms, a little bit closer to 20 miles per hour. So still a bit breezy out there, and that will continue into tomorrow. Just a few lingering isolated showers for the morning. So you'll probably want that umbrella to start off the day, but by the end of the day, you won't need it. We'll be looking at a little bit of sunshine with clouds decreasing, warm, but still windy out there. We could see some wind gusts around 30 miles per hour. Temperatures pretty close to 70 degrees, so not too bad. Hopefully everyone can get outside and enjoy the second half of your Tuesday, because then we're going to be seeing some more of that wet weather moving in for your Wednesday. Again, the potential for some strong to severe storms. And I hate to point it out, but look at that, 70s for Wednesday and then dropping into the 40s for Thursday. But thank goodness, by the weekend, we're warming things back up into the 60s and even some 70s. So it's a short-lived cold spell. We still have some showers, maybe even an isolated storm off to our west. So we'll still be dealing with some of this wet weather as we head into your Monday, and that's all thanks to a cold front, a very slow-moving and weak cold front that's going to continue to move through the area. But you can still see some wet roadways on your Fork Bank sky view of Mount Sterling. So just slow it down a little bit out there. And as I mentioned earlier, we could see some patchy fog developing in some spots. We have enough moisture in the atmosphere and winds are calming down. We actually saw some wind gusts earlier in the 30s. I believe Moorhead had a wind gust of about 32 miles per hour. So winds definitely calming down, and with them calming down and extra moisture in the atmosphere, I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a little bit of patchy fog as we head into the overnight and for your Monday morning. And of course, we'll be dealing with some of those rain showers as well. But take a look at those temperatures. You can see we have cooled to 62 degrees here in Lexington. Same for Frankfort, 61 in Danville, 63 in Richmond. Still a little bit warmer in London and Jackson. Temperature for actually staying a little bit warmer where we haven't seen a lot of that rainfall. That rain really did help to cool those temperatures quick. So we actually had temperatures earlier with a difference of 60s to the north and still 70s in the south. So that rain really did help to cool things down. But take a look at those highs for today. We were staying in the 70s. Yesterday we made it into the 80s, so a little bit cooler for today. And we'll actually see those temperatures dropping a little bit for your Monday thanks to that weak cold front that's going to continue to move into the area. So a little bit cooler, but still not too bad. We'll be right around that average, but still dealing with some wet weather. As you head out the door Monday morning, we'll still be seeing some later showers out there, and it looks like mainly earlier on, probably for the first half of the day, is when we'll see a good portion of those rain showers, letting up a little bit more as we head into the afternoon. Maybe even seeing some breaks in the clouds, allowing us to see some sunshine, so that might help temperatures a little bit, but overall staying cooler than what we did see for today. A little bit drier as we start to Tuesday, but we could see some more showers building in a little bit later in the day, but not going to be a washout. But again, tonight we'll continue to see that chance for some showers, even some possible fog developing, so be mindful of that tomorrow morning. Temperatures still staying mild, but a little bit cooler for your Monday. Keep the umbrellas handy. Again, I think we'll see a concentration of those rain showers more so for the first half of the day and then drying out a little bit into the second half of the day. But Tuesday, Wednesday, not too bad, but then we do see a return for some rain showers on Thursday. But overall, temperatures not too bad this week.
Yeah, not too bad. Okay.
We'll take it.
It is spring indeed,
It
but
is.
bring the umbrella. Sounds
Yes.
good. Good to know.